This video will demonstrate how to use the Mastercam interface to transfer all created project data into NC Simul and be fully simulated and certified before production. To begin with, from the Planes tab, create a work coordinate system at the base of the fixturing to use as an attachment point to the virtual machine in NC Simul. After running the installer to integrate the C-hook, start the interface by clicking the NC Simul logo, which can be added by customizing the ribbon. Choose the work environment for export and the desired machine for G-code certification in NC Simul. Note that an NC Simul simulation process can be created for each Mastercam machining process all in one go. From the table element, choose the planes to be transferred and define the newly created NC Simul 1 as the 0 setup. Then right-click the table to add models for the parts, stocks, and fixtures. Do this by checking the boxes for the models directly in the interface window, which is pulling data from the Solids tab. In this case, it is advantageous to rename the solid layers. Alternatively, use the pointer icon to select solids directly from the 3D window, highlighting them in yellow. This is a good strategy when there are many small fixture pieces so they can be grabbed together. Once complete, move down to the bottom section into the machining process window. The first feature that will show up there automatically is the tool library. Check or uncheck any tools to export to NC Simul from the current operation. Next, add an initialization so that NC Simul can locate the program file in the proper starting location on the part. And lastly, add the Mastercam post-process program, the same exact one that will run on the real machine after hitting the G1 button. Press the large green icon to send all the specified data over to NC Simul, starting a decoding and simulation process automatically. Using NC Simul as an extra layer of protection between G-code generation and machine prove-out while repurposing all existing work in Mastercam will both increase machinist confidence and reduce part delivery times.